Hello YouTube, this is a look at the packaging and also a sort of unboxing video of the Richbit RT-022 electric fat bike. It's the black and green version, and it was delivered today from the United Kingdom. The packaging looks sort of okay. No major dents or anything. And I have already opened it, but I haven't taken anything out from the box yet. And I am unable to take out anything from here while filming this video. So we'll just take a quick look at the contents. And then I'll take the bike out from the packaging and show you the rest later. It seems to be fairly well packaged and doesn't look like anything has been damaged during transport.
One eternity later.
And now I have removed all of the parts from the box and put them here on the floor, and I apologize for the background. I know it will make it harder to see, or at least will give you a headache, but this was all I had and I wanted some kind of protection for the parts. The front tire was secured to the rest of the bike with a bunch of zip ties. There are still zip ties and tape holding everything together here. And there also was included a box which had the power supply in it. It's model RT-180 with the EU plug. Here's the charging connector. And they also included actually a wire lock, but I won't be using this with this bike, but thanks anyway, Richbit. Pedals, some mud guards, hex keys, I think those will come in handy, a pump, and the owner's manual. The front cover does have my particular model of the bike. Well, actually, this is the older version. You can see it from the battery here. And it also lacks the LCD screen at the middle of the handlebars, so this is the older version. This is the new version of the battery. It also includes the USB port for charging your phone or other devices. And the manual is nice to have, and it also does have some assembly instructions. It's only in English, and the language is okay, I guess. It ain't the worst translation I have seen. But the assembly instructions seem to be generic instructions for all of the Richbit bikes. They aren't specific to this model. But yeah, I'm glad they also include some kind of owner's manual or booklet with the bike.